So this is what we're going to be building. It's a remote control for a speaker system, and we will be working on the speaker system throughout this course. Our client is a fictitious company called Magnanimous Dan. And I really like that name, by the way. It's just fun to me. Anyway, so we've put together this fictitious logo. I've got it on the back here, and these graphics on the front are meant to be pad printed graphics, and so they're actually on here just as surface geometry so that you could render them in Keyshot or something like that really easily. And those were actually designed in Illustrator, and so we're going to talk about how to add graphics from Illustrator. And most importantly, as I've mentioned already, the design process is all about collaborating with multiple people. And so the emphasis as we go throughout this tutorial is going to be looking at ways that we can work together with multiple people at the same time. Design is not linear, so we need to be working concurrently with other folks. And that's what we're going to focus on here. So the assembly that you're looking at here, actually, if I hide this top, you're going to see that we have engineering data inside there. I can actually let's hide this battery housing for a second here. You see that we have batteries inside here, and even if we look at a cross-section view, see that those batteries are even contained within a housing that has a compartment specifically for the batteries. And in fact, if I drag this back through, you'll see I've even added screw bosses where the holes are in our circuit board so that we can mount our circuit board in place. And finally, most importantly, we're going to do this from the ground up as if we didn't know what we were doing to start with. And actually, when I started this thing, I had never built it before. So you're going to watch me learn as we go, and we're going to make changes the way that we would need to in the real world as the product develops. So this should be really fun. I hope you're looking forward to it. It's going to be great. And by the way, one of my favorite features on this design here, we have our mute, we have volume down, we have volume up, and this is my favorite feature. If I had a Magnanimous Dan stereo, what it does is basically it shakes the whole room. This is like full blast, full volume, one button. I love it. All right, let's get started.